shoes. We got lovers in a corner dancing clothes. We got immigrants, them jumping up in boats. It's sweet soul music and a disco, a rhythm and blues. I run it up to calypso, but don't get confused now. It's a DJ cause they put all these rhythms together, and they give them some praise. You know the whole place start jumping, and the vibrations raise. In a big swing party in a New York City, downtown shake down, rock down again. Place was around my panagrama with the people till they couldn't hold no more. But still they kept on coming. If you see them squeezing through the door, I check the lady in the kitchen. She got the peas and rice coming up hot, with some big red peppers. Put the Caribbean flavor in the butter, keep the rhythm jumping hot in the basement party in a New York City. Downtown shake down, uptown boogie, children's rock, basement party, rhythm jumping in a New York City. Downtown shake down, uptown boogie. To make this party complete, just then I heard a knocking. It was a visit from the police on the beat. They said they just kept a complaint from a neighbor on the block, and the music got to turn down real low, or the party gonna stop. But the jamming will have stronger, and the music stay free. You know the police get a lock inside the rhythm. All night I see them searching for the beat to wonder. In a basement party in a New York City, downtown shake down.